In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset keyboard on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap at General. And that's where we can easily find the keyboard. Once we get into it, that's where we can easily find all our keyboard features that can be changed. And from here, we can easily turn them on and also configure some options, such as, for instance, keyboards here. As you can see, I have English, Russian, and amateur keyboard. Let's say you edit here some keyboards such as, let's say I don't even know what it is. And from here, if you made this by mistake and you would like to remove it, you need just to hit right here at Delete. And by hitting at that minus sign, you can remove the keyboard. From here, you can do the same with another keyboards. And also here we can choose if you would like to keep some options enabled. If let's say I don't want to have slide to die feature activated, I can easily just turn it off. And the same about any other options, such as predictive test, maybe autocorrection, maybe some other features. All keyboard settings can be configured right here. Unfortunately, we do not have the option to return our keyboard settings back to their defaults. However, we can easily go through that list of options. And here we can configure our keyboard, except one particular option. And the option is called actually. If you head over to Settings and scroll down to the bottom, and then Topic Transfer or Reset Phone, and then that's where we can easily find the Reset Keyboard Dictionary. I'm gonna tap on it right now. Then it will ask you to enter your screen time passcode to continue. And now here we are able to delete all custom boards we've typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to factory defaults. So the only option which we can use to return keyboard to their default is just returning dictionary to factory default. Just keyboard dictionary, not the other options. And we can easily do so right by typing at Reset Dictionary. Basically, guys, so if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button